Here we are in the supermarket. Let's have a look around. This is the fruit and vegetable section. Here you can buy lots of fresh fruit, but there aren't many different vegetables. If you don't like fresh fruit very much, on the shelves there are lots of tins of tomatoes or beans and packets of biscuits, flour, pasta and rice. In the cool section, there are cartons of milk, yogurt and fresh orange juice. Over there are a few tubes of tomato paste and lots of bottles of olive oil. The bottles are 1 litre or half a litre. This last section is a little tempting. There are lots of bars and boxes of chocolates and cans of cola. Sue is thinking of a recipe. This is how she makes a Spanish omelette.
OK, so I take half a dozen eggs and mix them in a jug. No, in a bowl. Then I take a potato, a head of broccoli, a few small onions and a small bunch of carrots. I clean and cut the vegetables into little slices. Then I put some butter or 3 spoonfuls of olive oil in a frying pan and add the vegetables. After a few minutes, when they are soft, I add the egg mixture and add a little salt and some pepper, but not much. Then I cook the omelette on both sides. You don't need much time. It usually cooks very quickly. When you serve the omelette, add a few herbs for decoration. It is delicious.